Hey! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's lesson on pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces, relates, or emphasize a noun, or equivalent. Let's go to the classification of the pronoun. There are 10 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, impersonal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, reflexive and emphatic pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun. For details information on pronouns, check out our website. You can find out the examples and also exercise on our website. The link in the description box. If you like the short demonstrative video, then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.